Missing values are simply empty or undefined entries in your loaded data frame. They significantly hinder data analysis efficiency, leading to biased results and broken models. It's crucial to handle them to ensure data integrity and improve model performance. We achieve this through imputation, filling gaps with estimated values, or deletion, where we remove incomplete rows or columns. To illustrate this process, let's now load the popular TIPS dataset from Seaborn. A common first step before identifying and addressing any missing data.
Missing values in a loaded data frame, often represented as NaN, not a number, or none, are simply placeholders for absent data. They can occur due to various reasons like data entry errors, data corruption, privacy concerns, or simply data not being collected. In the example, we artificially introduce these NaN values into the total_bill and size columns of the TIPS_DF to simulate a real-world scenario. As the original dataset is relatively clean, the isNull.sum method helps us quickly identify how many missing values each column contains. The presence of missing values significantly impacts data analysis efficiency. They can lead to inaccurate or biased analytical results, as calculations like means, sums, or correlations might either ignore these values by default, potentially misrepresenting the true distribution, or produce errors if not handled. For more complex operations, such as training machine learning models, missing values are often problematic and will either cause the model to crash or lead to suboptimal performance. This necessity to detect and handle them adds extra steps, complexity, and potential debugging time to the analysis workflow, reducing overall efficiency.
Handling missing values is crucial to ensure data integrity, obtain accurate insights, and enable downstream processes like machine learning. There are several strategies, and the choice depends on the nature of the data and the extent of missingness. The example demonstrates two common how-to approaches: dropNA and fillNA. dropNA removes rows or columns containing missing values. A simple but potentially data-losing method if many rows are affected. fillNA involves imputing, or replacing, missing values with a substitute, such as the mean, median, mode, or a constant value, thereby preserving the rows and often leading to more robust analyses, as shown by recalculating the mean after handling.